The robot arm kinetic energy estimator calculates the rotational, linear, and total kinetic energy of a single robotic arm link. This calculator requires 3 input fields. First, enter the link mass in kilograms, which represents the mass of your robot arm segment. Next, input the link length in meters, measuring from the pivot point to the end of the link. Finally, specify the angular velocity in radians per second, which is how fast your link is rotating. Let's work through an example. With a link mass of 10 kilograms, a link length of 0.5 meters, and an angular velocity of 2.0 radians per second, click Calculate Kinetic Energy. The results show rot.ke equals 1.67 joules, representing the rotational kinetic energy around the pivot. The lin.ke equals 1.25 joules, which is the linear kinetic energy of the link's center of mass. The total Ke equals 2.92 joules, combining both energy components. The calculator also provides 2 center of mass velocity values, 0.500 and 0.8333, representing different velocity components of the link's center point. This tool helps engineers analyze energy requirements and dynamic loads in robotic arm design. Find the link in the description below.